How to connect your YouTube from phone to TV. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can connect your YouTube on phone and TV. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through this video. Now, in order to connect phone to TV, for the YouTube app, what you can do is you can first open up YouTube app. Now make sure to open the YouTube on your TV as well, and on your TV open up the YouTube, login and head over to the settings. Now here open up YouTube on your phone and you'll find the cast icon at the top. You can see search icon, you can see bell icon, and beside it you can see cast icon. Tap on it and you'll see the option link with TV code. Tap on it. Now on your TV you can see open the YouTube app on your TV device, go to settings, scroll down to link with TV code. A blue TV code will appear on your TV. Enter the code here and then you can go ahead and link it. So this is how you can easily go ahead and connect your phone and your TV for YouTube. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.